Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about extraocular muscle injury treatment. Now, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for an injured extraocular muscle from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest use a specific treatment method or medication to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Extraocular muscle injuries may differ. As no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. Now, if you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free extraocular muscle injury treatment from a specialist in your area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from an extraocular muscle specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your extraocular muscles. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained an extraocular muscle injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with extraocular muscles injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your extraocular muscle injury incident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our round-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. The extraocular muscle is a group of facial muscles which help our eyes and our eyelids move. If one or more of your extraocular muscles has become damaged or injured in an accident, we strongly recommend that you speak to a medical professional as soon as possible, as they'll be able to arrange for electrophysiological testing and imaging in order for them to see the extent of the damage. Now, according to nhs.uk, many eyelid problems are not serious. It's fairly common to have any of these problems. A lump that goes away by itself after 3 or 4 weeks, mild, itchy, flaky or sticky eyelids that clear up by themselves, swelling from a nearby insect bite, injury or operation that goes away after a week or so, twitching or blinking from time to time, often when you're tired, eyelids that droop or get more hooded as you grow older. A pharmacist might be able to tell you what you can do to treat it yourself. If you can buy anything to help, for example, cleaning solution for sticky eyelids, if you need to see an optician or GP. Non-urgent advice. See a GP if you're worried about an eyelid problem, you think it's an allergic reaction, it's getting worse or lasting a long time, your eyelid is painful or you're in a lot of discomfort, you have yellow lumps or patches around your eyes, you have a rash on your body as well as lumps on your eyelids, you have a very high temperature or feel hot and shivery, or generally feel unwell. The side of your neck, armpits or groin feels swollen and painful, swollen lymph nodes. Urgent advice. Get advice from 111 now if your swollen eyelid is red, hot, painful, tender or blistered. Your eyelid droops suddenly. The pain is in your eye, not your eyelid. The white of your eye is very red in parts or all over. You're sensitive to light, photophobia. Your eyesight changes. For example, you see wavy lines or flashing. You have difficulty breathing. Your mouth or tongue is swollen. You're lightheaded or confused. You feel faint, like you might collapse. You have blue skin or lips. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in extraocular muscle injuries and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery and aim to find you one in your area so you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment in order to help your recovery. They'll be able to go over ocular trauma and blunt trauma to the eye complications, extraocular muscle entrapment and penetrating eye injury treatment, as well as ocular mitosis treatment.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.